Well, I remember it pretty clearly. It was a rainy night in 1985, and my dad came home really excited because he had just bought his Porsche 944, which he still has, still drives. He daily drives it for part of the year. I learned to drive manual on it. My brother learned to drive manual on it. Fantastic car. And it's a rainy January night, and I just picked up my first Porsche. It's a 2004 Porsche Boxster S. So this is the new car for the channel. It's gonna be pretty fun. Got a few little things planned for it. It's in good condition. Just gonna do a few maintenance things, and of course I can't help myself, there will be some performance stuff coming to it as well.
When I was in Canada, I always remember going in the Porsche with my grandpa every time I go to Canada.
Okay, let's see what we got here. So I've had it, well, about 24 hours now. Then I had driven it a little bit, drove it to work. Have a look over it. Now it is a black on black 2004 Boxster S 986. So being a S, of course, got nice Brembos. We're going to be doing the brakes soon. It's Michelin Pilot Sports on it, which is a nice tire. Now we'll have a little look around. Decent kilometers. It's been fairly well looked after. The roof is in very good condition. Paintwork's okay. We're gonna give it a buff, and there's a few. You can see on the back here. There, you can see there's a couple upward dents from where someone's had something too tall in the back and tried to close the lid. But that's okay. We'll get a PDR guy around to do that. Now, we're looking in the inside. Seats are in good condition. Something we had to look at, make sure everything works well. We're getting lots of little bits of stuff, which is foam, along the internal flaps of the heating control that are coming out. It is just the base radio, which I'll show you in the codes in a minute. And it has the optional silver trim sport shift knob and trimmer on the bottom or on the gator, and the silver trim handbrake lever. Now, this car's totally stock, except for it does have a quick shift on it, a short throw shifter installed in it. So it's still got a little bit of play, more just from the age, but we'll be taking that apart and shimming that up a little bit later in another video. Oh yeah, interior quite nicely done. Now we'll have a look at those option codes. Get those. We pop the front trunk. And open it up. Okay, so your options on a Porsche are on here. So we got a few codes. There's not a whole lot. It's just those ones there. I can't remember what's what, but basically one says it's an Australian car. One says it's got what radio it has, and one has it's got the silver sport shifter, and one's got the silver sport handbrake lever. But other than that, it's and the last one, the 502, says where it's made. But yeah, pretty basic setup. Decent room in here, spare tire, toolbox, all that stuff. We'll just gotta probably end up doing something with this to get some weight out of it and continue with our plan. So this will be a nice weekend car and do a few track days.